Python Flask Blueprint. In this video, we are going to learn why Blueprint is necessary and how to use Blueprint. We are going to modify the left side menu. For example, we need menus which are used to register and manage products. We also need menus which are used to check and manage orders. We modify homepage template file via index.html we replace layouts with products. We replace some menus, product, manage, list. Product, manage, list. Product, category, list. Product, category, list. We replace pages with orders. We copy this navigation block. And paste the block here and remove this previous block. We replace some menus, order manage list, order manage list, order report daily, order report daily. We modify the main app script via shop and manager.py. We add the corresponding 4 routes. A route product manage list, a route product category list, a route order manage list, a route order reported daily. We open a browser and access the home page. The left side menu has been changed. product managed list, product category list, order managed list, order report daily. We will return to the main app script. Suppose that we have many menus, for example 100 menus. If we add all the routes for the menus, the main script becomes very large and is difficult to manage. We need a more convenient way to deal with this. At this point, Blueprint shows up. There are many kinds of menus. We group these menus together. And add them to one blueprint respectively. There are several blueprints. We register the blueprint in the main app script. In order to apply blueprint to the main app script, we create a special directory BPR, which stands for blueprint. For each blueprint, we also create a subdirectory, order and product. In addition, we create the corresponding template subdirectories, order and product. We create 5 subdirectories: mkdir, bpr, order, bpr product, templates order, templates product. We create a blueprint file for product menus. vi bpr product.py. We import blueprint. We create a blueprint instance. The first argument is the name of the blueprint instance. The second argument indicates where the blueprint is defined. URL prefix will be prepended to all the routes of the blueprint. There are 2 routes here. This route becomes /product/product managed list. This route becomes /product/product category list. Template folder indicates the directory where the corresponding template files are located. These two template files are located in this template folder. We create the corresponding template files via product manage list.html. Product list menu by using blueprint and render template. Via product category list.html. Product category list menu by using blueprint and render template. We do the same thing for order menu via blueprint order.py. Via order manage list.html. Via order report daily.html. We prepend the blueprint directory name to the URL of the left side menu. Vi index.html. URL for product dot URL for product dot Note that dot notation is used in the argument of URL for. URL for order dot URL for order dot Finally, we modify the main app script via shop and manager.py. We import two blueprint files. This is the blueprint script file. This is the file name of the script bpr products.py. This is the path to the script file. Note that dot notation is used. This is the variable name defined in the script file. The file name and the variable name don't have to be the same. However, it is convenient to set the names to be the same. We register the two blueprints. Function register blueprint is used. We remove the 4 routes below. In order to recognize the path of the blueprint script, we must modify a path configuration file. We change to the root account. vi httpd.conf. We add two WSGI configurations. WSGI daemon process and WSGI process group are added. Note that Python path option is set here. For the Python path option to work properly, we need to allow read permission of the app service directory. Change mode O plus R. Restart Apache. Apache control. Restart. Now we open a browser and access the home page. The home page appears the same. We click the left side menu. Product Manage List menu by using Blueprint and Render Template. OK, blueprints and the corresponding templates work properly. In summary, Blueprint is necessary to group similar services together and manage them in a modular way. Blueprint is registered in the main app script by function register blueprint. Thank you for watching this video.